Running Start is where faculty at MCC go and work with teachers in their native high schools to teach our AMT classes at the high school. So we qualify the teacher and we make sure that we give them curriculum if they need it, and we make sure that they're successful in teaching our class at their high school.
So it doesn't change the gear ratio at all?
They get credit in two places for the same class, the same content. They get credit as a high school student for their high school diploma, but they also get credit through MCC as a college credit.
I'm taking a program that allows me to finish my high school credits and then do all of my remaining credits. So by the time I graduate, I'll have an associate's in ADMT and my high school diploma.
From the college perspective and the Running Start opportunities they receive, all of these branch as a lot of the pathways overlap. They're very synergistic in nature, where they can grow and build upon, so that scaffolding takes place even at the very basic of the design stage.
They'll take a fundamentals of electronics class, a CAD class, a computer-aided design class, manufacturing processes, which kind of gives them an overview of what manufacturing is, and blueprint reading. And with those couple classes, they have a real good idea on if this is something that they want to do.
Before I came here, I didn't have any machining, electrical, any of that like programming experience. But through the course, I've really grown in all those areas. And it's a really wide course. So you do electrical, you do 3D design, you do robotics, you do systems, you do all this cool stuff. And it really helps you flesh out, if you want to go for a bachelor's, you get to learn what you like and what you don't like.
I made the decision to go year 2 in that program, my senior year of high school, and that's when I really dove deep and I decided I wanted to be an engineer, and I loved the manufacturing part of it. Got an internship after my first year at MCC, and that really opened the gates for me. So now I'm at UNH. I'm in my second internship at Collins, hopefully getting a job out of it, and I'm graduating in the spring.
For starters, they're getting a whole lot cheaper college education, because a lot of the Running Start classes and the early college classes are currently covered expense-wise by a governor's STEM grant. So they don't have to pay for these classes. They get 2 every year for free. So the first 2 Running Start or early college classes they take, the governor picks up the tab for. When they do early college, they're actually enrolling in college classes here at MCC while they're still a high school student. But they're in classrooms with other college students. So it's not just high school students in their classrooms at that point, it's other college students that are taking the same class.
It's a different experience, but you also feel like you're with people that want to be here. So most people in the class are people that want to be here and want to learn.
Not all high schools are set up that way, but that's definitely the goal of Spark Academy, was to get them an associate's degree when they graduate from high school. Right when they turn 18, they're eligible for programs, internships, and apprenticeships that most students aren't eligible for another 2 years. Our students are going to be right out of high school ready to start doing those internships and apprenticeships and take off.